The Rosario house wasn't born from a desire for sprawling lawns or suburban tranquility. It was a rebellion against the all-or-nothing proposition, a centrally located home in a vibrant city, or a detached house on the outskirts. Nestled on an atypical plot in Rosario, Argentina, this dwelling defied convention. From the street, it presented an unassuming face, a narrow facade of just 3.40 meters, entirely opaque. One might mistake it for anything but a residence. But step through the semi-covered courtyard, a verdant haven doubling as a garage, and the true nature of the house unfolds. The unconventional lot, once home to a neighborhood mechanic workshop, presented a unique challenge. Hemmed in by the urban landscape, dominated by towering apartment buildings, the goal became one of creating a haven within the city's embrace. Light, ventilation, and privacy were paramount, a refuge from the prying eyes and the claustrophobia of high-density living. The architects employed a clever solution. An entirely opaque gate on the street maintained the illusion of an unassuming structure. This facade served as a shield, a barrier between the public and the private. But upon entering, the perception shifted. The courtyard, a canvas of greenery, became the heart of the transition. It wasn't just a space for parking, it was a liminal zone, a bridge between the bustling street and the tranquil interior. Here, bathed in dappled sunlight, the transformation began. To conquer the limitations of the lot's geometry, the design revolved around a central core. This ingenious feature, snaking through the 3 floors, served multiple purposes. It facilitated efficient movement throughout the house, promoting a sense of flow and connection as residents traversed the vertical space. But more importantly, the central core maximized natural light. In a neighborhood dominated by high rises, light was a precious commodity. By strategically placing windows around the core, natural light infiltrated even the deepest corners, banishing the potential for darkness and fostering a sense of spaciousness. The ground floor revolved around the kitchen, the undisputed heart of the home. Large windows blurred the lines between the kitchen, the gallery, and the garden, creating a flexible, open space. Meals could be prepared amidst the verdant embrace of the courtyard, or enjoyed in the luminous gallery, bathed in the warm glow of natural light. The first floor offered a different kind of haven. A centrally lit hallway led to 3 bedrooms, each a sanctuary of peace and privacy. Light still played a crucial role. The central core ensured each room received its share of natural illumination. Yet, the bedrooms were tucked away, offering a retreat from the social areas below. The crown jewel of the house resided on the top floor. A multipurpose space capitalized on the expansive terraces, blurring the lines between indoor and outdoor living. Winter, when the high party walls cast long shadows on the ground floor garden, became a time to celebrate the rooftop haven. Here, bathed in winter sun, residents could bask in the warmth and enjoy the unparalleled views of the city. But the architects hadn't forgotten the connection to the outside world. One of the front-facing terraces boasted an opening, a window peering out onto the street. This subtle gesture maintained a connection with the city's pulse, a reminder of the vibrant urban landscape just beyond the private haven. It was a bridge, a delicate balance between enclosure and openness, between the desire for privacy and the human need for connection. The Rosario house stood as a testament to ingenuity. It defied the limitations of its urban plot, offering its residents a sanctuary within the city's heart. Light, space, and privacy coexisted in perfect harmony, creating a home that was both a refuge and a window to the world. Alright everyone, that's a wrap on the Rosario house. As you can see, this project proves that you don't need a sprawling suburban lot to create a beautiful and functional home. With a little creativity and clever design, you can achieve the best of both worlds, a central location with all the perks of city life, alongside a tranquil haven for yourself and your loved ones. If you're looking for more architectural inspiration for urban living, be sure to hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you don't miss a single upload. We've got tons of amazing homes from all over the world, each one with its own unique story to tell. In the comments below, let me know what you thought of the Rosario house. Did you love the central core design? What about the rooftop terrace? I'd love to hear your thoughts and ideas. Thanks for joining me on this architectural adventure, and I'll see you on the next one.